If you've been managing a Facebook business page, you might be wondering, can I actually make money from it? The short answer is yes. Facebook offers several ways for businesses and creators to monetize their pages, provided you meet their eligibility requirements. One of the most common methods is through in-stream ads. These are short ads that appear in your video content. If your page meets Facebook's partner monetization policies, you can enable in-stream ads and earn revenue whenever viewers watch your videos. This is ideal for pages that post regular video content and have a dedicated audience. Another way to monetize is through Facebook stars. Fans can buy stars and send them to you during live streams as a way of supporting your content. Each star has a monetary value, and it's a great option for pages that regularly host live videos, webinars, or interactive sessions. You can also make money by selling products or services directly from your page. Using the Facebook Shop feature, you can list your products, set prices, and accept payments through the platform. This turns your business page into a mini e-commerce hub. For service-based businesses, you can use the appointments and bookings features to monetize your expertise directly. Affiliate marketing and sponsored content are also options. Brands may pay you to promote products or services to your followers if your page has a strong audience and engagement. Make sure you follow Facebook's guidelines on branded content to avoid policy issues. It's important to note that not all pages are immediately eligible for monetization. Your page must meet Facebook's requirements, such as having a certain number of followers, consistent content, adherence to community standards, and verified identity. Once you meet these standards, you can apply for monetization features through Meta Business Suite or the Creator Studio. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand how to monetize your Facebook business page, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips, tutorials, and ways to grow your online business. Comment below and let me know, would you try in-stream ads, live stars, or selling products on your page? I'd love to hear your thoughts.